Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
100 years. What is the life expectancy of knob and tube wiring? Copper wiring can last up to 100 years. Knob and tube can last a long time, too, but one of the main problems with K&T wiring, of all the ones listed above, is the problem with old, worn, insulation.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Unless homeowners can sell their houses traditionally, a cash sale can be the best option. When you factor in the hours wasted trying to renovate or sell an outdated house and the high cost involved, homeowners can come out of a tough situation ahead of the game. So, yes, you can sell a house with knob and tube wiring.
Take our lead.
The national average to remove and rewire knob and tube wiring is $3,500 to $8,000. Since this is not new wiring, your contractor will need to estimate the cost to open walls and ceilings to rewire and repair, which could easily bring the expense to $15,000 or more.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.